So whatever you eat or drink, or whatever you do, do everything for the glory of God. Give no offense to Jews or to Greeks or to the church of God, just as I try to please everyone in everything I do, not seeking my own advantage, but that of many, so that they may be saved. 1 Corinthians 10:31 through 33. This is my Buick Century, and got an issue with the trunk lid. If you push it all the way up, it'll stay up there, but if you get a gust of wind or something, or you don't get it all the way up there, it will fall very quickly. And that's hit me in the head a few times, and I actually one time it blew shut on me when I had the keys in the trunk, and so I had to call somebody and get picked up. So anyway, we're going to try to fix that condition today. So you can see on this strut here that there's oil buildup down here. It's all dirty, and then up at the top there's a similar condition, but basically the strut rod is worn out and it needs to be replaced. Okay, so I bought this this strut. Here's the new one. I want to make sure that it's the right length before I take the old one off, and it looks like it's the right length. And so using my little screwdriver, I'm just going to pry this little clip on the top out. And it just comes off like that. And then you have a similar clip down here on the bottom. There we go. Gotta get underneath it. Just pull it off. So there's the old one. And we'll take the new one. And this should just snap on here. Not necessary to pry that out. And push the bottom one on there also. Actually, I didn't have to compress it, I just pushed it on. So now, even with that, the trunk lid will stay up, even with just replacing that one. So if you're kind of constrained on cash and you just want to replace one, it's still going to fall at the bottom end of it. But I'm going to go ahead and replace them both, because I don't want to be hit on the head again. So here is side number 2. Same drill. This one, the head is kind of twisted a little bit. So grab a hold of that, give it a good twist. And actually, if I pushed up on that hood a little bit, it made it a little easier to get that line. So now, I almost have to push it down to get it to close. So it's not going to slam down anymore. So that's what we were after. So thanks for watching. Okay, so I wanted to give a little close-up of what's going on with that clip. And if you look right here, you can see that there's a little metal spring edge here. It comes into the hole here, and there's one on each side, and those snap onto the post that's on the hood, and that's on the base, not on the hood, but on the trunk lid and on the other end on the car. And so when you turn that over, you can maybe see it a little better here. there's this black piece here, and that's the clip, that's the spring clip, and you have to pry underneath the end of it. Now if I show you the other end where I've already got it done, there we go. So you can see how that clip, now that I've got it pulled out, I got my screwdriver underneath it. Now if you look at this hole, you don't have those little edges in there, and therefore it allows it to come off. So that's all you're trying to do, is get your screwdriver underneath that metal clip. And it's the same kind of clip on both sides. You just have to pry it off, and on this one they even have a little lead in where you can get up underneath it. So hope that helps.